Generating an online income. With the internet opening up opportunities for people to work from home, it is something that more and more people are trying to do. The problem is that most people don't know where to start or what action to take to generate income online. Do you have trouble trying to make money from home? If so, I've written this because I believe I can help you get started to make money from the comfort of your home. This will show you 3 ways that you can do that. First up, we'll discuss affiliate marketing, and then we're gonna move on to taking paid surveys, and finally, we're gonna discuss making money through social media. Affiliate marketing. In the simplest terms, affiliate marketing is getting as many eyes on a product or program to look in the direction of its presence and benefit to the world. Many major companies offer an affiliate program to also help promote their products. Those major companies already understand the more eyes, the better sales. Finding a niche of your choice will probably be the easiest part of deciding on what sorts of products you would like to promote. Hobbies become a huge part of niche selection. Here's a few quick steps to take to begin generating an income online through affiliate marketing. Step 1. Select a niche of choice and do research on the niche to have a better approach to it before going in-depth with it. Step 2. Do research on the different number of affiliate programs and products to promote and make a commission off of. Step 3. Build a site or have a site created for you based on your niche selection. Step 4. Be as creative and unique as possible to create content. Using your mind and creativity will give you a better chance of creating an audience and following. Step 5. Building a solid following and audience is key to your business and site. Step 6. Promote the product or program. Getting as many eyes on the product to someone of interest or in need is very important. That's what the purpose of an affiliate is to do. Step 7. The final step is to repeat steps #4 to 7 over and over again until your goal is reached. Paid surveys. Paid surveys are much needed from companies that range from small to big. The feedback of people around the world that have tried these products has a huge impact towards the company. This feedback is important in a few different ways. There's even a way to make money from it. Your feedback determines the progress of present products and gives a helpful insight on a product that was purchased. There are plenty of paid survey sites. Most survey sites you come across are legit sites that allow you to earn real rewards. Rewards that vary from cash to gift cards. Here's a list of a few paid survey sites. Swagbucks.com, Toluna.com, mysurvey.com, surveybids.com. That's just to name a few. Do your own research to see other surveys that offer paid rewards that can benefit you down the line. Good luck with finding something suitable and comfortable for you. Social media. Making money through social media is something many people don't know about. It's becoming pretty big due to the fact that many people are trying to get their products, brands, and programs out into the world. That's a very helpful step in the right direction when you're building an empire. The more fans and followings you have will no doubt increases, so does the improvement of the product. Being creative and creating a format will stand out more so than any other beginning level competitors. Of course, it's not recommended to try competing with major prestige-like companies, but being confident in yourself is a key factor in building a platform and generating income online. Believing in yourself and your product more than anyone else will push you to become a better person, and knowing you have something beneficial to offer to the world. Social media platforms vary from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. The number of platforms to choose from is almost limitless, but it's best to choose the social media platform you are most comfortable with to help benefit your progress.